Hello everyone, my name is Mini Sethi. I hope you all are staying healthy. Today we are going to talk about functions in mathematical economics with MCQ, especially for UGC NET in economics. Functions mainly shows the relationship between variables. For example, demand function shows the relationship between demand and price. Investment function shows the relationship between investment and interest rate. Similar, consumption function shows the relationship between income and consumption. There are so many types of functions like linear, quadratic, exponential, explicit, implicit, cubic, monotonic, non-monotonic. Important functions in economics like demand, supply, utility, consumption, production, cost, profit and revenue. One by one we discuss about each function. First of all, we are going to talk about linear function. In case of linear function, variable have highest power 1. Here you can see x variable have highest power 1. A linear function shows a straight line relationship in graph. This is equation of linear function. Y dependent variable, x independent variable. A is intercept. Intercept shows value of a dependent variable when independent variable is 0. For example, autonomous consumption work as an intercept because autonomous consumption shows value of consumption when income is 0. B is a slope. Slope shows rate at which dependent variable change with respect to change in independent variable. In case of linear function, dependent variable will change at same amount for each unit increase in independent variable. Independent variable, dependent variable. Here you can see a dependent variable changing at same amount for each unit increase in independent variable. This is diagram of a linear function. Independent variable, dependent variable. This line shows, means the straight line shows the relationship between a dependent and independent variable. This much change in independent variable will lead to this much change in dependent variable. So this is slope of line, means this is B. When independent variable is 0, dependent variable is C. OC will called our intercept because intercept shows the value of a dependent variable when independent variable is 0. Quadratic function. In case of quadratic function, variable have highest power 2. Here you can see x variable have highest power 2. Shape of curve in case of a quadratic function is u, which is called a parabola. This is general equation of quadratic function. First case, when a is more than 0. When a is more than 0, then in these three cases, parabola will be in upward slope. We can find out a discriminant with this formula. D represent a discriminant. If D is more than 0, then we have two distinct real root. That means parabola will touch its x-axis at 2 point A and B. When D is equal to 0, then we have one real root. That means parabola will touch its axis at only 1 point A. When D is less than 0, then we don't have any real root. That means parabola will not touch its x-axis. Second case, when a is less than 0. When a is less than 0, then all these three cases, parabola will in downward slope. Earlier parabola is in upward slope, but now parabola is in downward slope. Other things are same. In this case, you can see we have two distinct root. That's why parabola touches at 2 point A and B, but slope of a parabola is downward. Similar here, you can see we have one real root, and here we don't have any real root. Next is exponential function where constant is base but variable is in power. Here you can see our base 2 is constant but variable x is in power. It will be called exponential function. Equation. Y is dependent variable, A is initial value, or you can say that A is intercept, which shows value of a dependent variable when independent variable is 0. B is a base, B also shows growth rate, B also work as a decay factor. When B is more than 1, it shows exponential growth. When B is more than 0 but less than 1, it shows exponential decay. X is an independent variable which appear as an exponent. This is graph of exponential function. Start from negative and move upward. So here you can see independent variable, dependent variable. When independent variable is 0, dependent variable is 1. This will be called value of A. This will be called our intercept. Intercept shows the value of a dependent variable when independent variable is 0. Similarly, here you can see in graph, when x is 0, our y is 1. So this part will be called intercept. We just plot this table in this graph. It will be called exponential functions graph. Cubic function, where variable have highest power 3, it will be called cubic function. Here you can see variable x have highest power 3, it will be called cubic function. X is variable a, b, c, d are coefficient. Cubic function have both local maximum and minimum. This is a minimum point and this is maximum point, and this diagram belongs to cubic or function. We use a cubic function in economics to explain business cycles. As we know, peak is maximum point of economic activities and trough, or you can say depression, is minimum point of economic activities. Monotonic function. In case of monotonic function, value of function consistently move in same direction. In case of monotonic function, value of function consistently move in same direction. That means either entirely increasing or entirely decreasing. For example, as input increase, output will also increase but never decrease, because value of function consistently move in same direction. On the other hand, as input increase, output decrease but never increase, because value of function always move in same direction. Now we will see four graph of monotonic function. Strictly increasing, strictly decreasing, increasing, or you can say the non-decreasing, decreasing, or you can say non-increasing. Here output is continuous increasing without any flat section. That means output is continuous increasing without becoming constant. Here output is continue reducing without any flat section. That means output is continuously reducing without becoming constant. Here you can see output no doubt continues increasing, but somewhere it become constant. Here output is continue decreasing, but somewhere it become constant. Means in both two diagrams have flat section, but in these two diagrams don't have any flat section. Non-monotonic, just opposite to monotonic. Non-monotonic, neither always increasing nor always decreasing. It consists of both properties, increasing as well as decreasing. Here you can see increasing, then decreasing, decreasing, then increasing, increasing, decreasing, increasing, then decreasing. Explicit and implicit function. In case of explicit function, dependent variable is directly function of independent variable, and dependent variable isolated in other side. Dependent variable, independent variable, dependent variable is directly function of independent variable, and dependent variable is isolated in other side. But in case of implicit function, dependent variable is not isolated in other side. Here dependent and independent variable are mixed together. Dependent variable, independent variable, here you can see dependent and independent variable are mixed together. Dependent variable is not isolated in other side in case of implicit function. Now very quickly we will see important functions of economics. Demand function, which shows the relationship between demand and factor affecting demand. Price, independent variable, demand, dependent variable, intercept, slope of a curve. This equation shows the relationship between demand and price. General demand function. Demand, dependent variable, price of goods, price of related goods, income, taste, future expectation of increase or decrease in prices. All these will be called independent variable, and demand is dependent variable. And this function shows the relationship between demand and factor influencing demand. Supply function. S represents supply, which is function of price of goods, price of input, technology, price of related goods like complementary and substitution goods, expectation of future and government policies. Utility function. U represent utility, which is function of x1, x2 quantities of goods. Consumption function. C represent consumption. A represent intercept. Here intercept is autonomous consumption, because autonomous consumption shows value of consumption when income is 0. B is the slope. Here slope is marginal propensity to consume. As we know, marginal propensity to consume shows how much consumption change due to change in income. Y is independent variable which represent our income. Production function, Q output, K capital, L labor. This is other form of production function. Q output, A is total factor productivity, alpha and beta are output elasticity of labor and capital. Profit function, when we minus cost from revenue, it will become equal to net profit. Px, profit from X commodity. Rx means revenue which we generate by selling X commodity. Cx is cost of producing X commodity. When we minus cost from revenue, it will become equal to profit. Cost function, C represent cost, PC fixed cost, Vx means variable cost. When we add both cost, it will become equal to total cost. Revenue function, price into quantity is equal to total revenue. Now we will see some questions. What is demand function? You can read all options. Right option is C, a mathematical representation of relationship between quantities of goods and services that consumer are willing and able to buy and the factor that influence it. Keep in your mind, demand function is mathematical representation. Second thing, quantity demanded include both willingness to buy product and ability to buy product. That means consumer want to buy that product plus he has money to buy that product. It will be called quantity demanded. So our right option is C. If consumption function is given, this one, C consumption, Y income, what is value of autonomous consumption? We have already discussed about this consumption function. C consumption, Y income, B is slope which represent marginal propensity to consume. A is intercept. We have already discussed autonomous consumption work as an intercept which shows value of consumption when income is 0. So here A is 50. So we can say 50 is our autonomous consumption. Our right option is C, 50. A function that is either always increasing or always decreasing is called, as we already discussed, monotonic function, either always increasing or always decreasing. So our right option is B, monotonic function. For this quadratic equation, what is value of discriminant? We have already discussed. This is formula to calculate discriminant. In this equation, A is 2, B is minus 4 and C is 3. And when we solve it, it will become equal to 0. So our right option is A, 0. If discriminant in quadratic equation is less than 0, then equation will have our right option D. We have already discussed when discriminant is less than 0, then we don't have any real root, or you can say that we don't have any real solution. So our right option is D. The graph of a quadratic function is, we have already discussed, graph of quadratic function is U shape which is known as parabola. So our right option is C, parabola. Which of following is general form of linear function? As we know, in case of linear equation or linear function, variable have highest power 1. So our right option is B, where variable x have highest power 1. So this is all about today's video. I think you got it, and thank you so much for watching this video. Bye, take care.